Yes, they completed the mod. And we got this elevator. They kept the lights the same, but we have new walls in here. Okay, 27. You have a very nice day, ma'am. These were originally SchindlerHaughtons from 1988. Oh, actually, no, these were Westinghouse. I can tell by the interlock. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, I want to take a look at that.
But modded in 2015 or 16 by Thyssenkrupp.
None of these buttons.
No.
Yeah.
A lot. But look at that, though.
Can't call it down. But yeah, there's the interlock.
One. The grocery beep is incredibly quiet on these now.
Huh. Hey, did they make it quieter?
I don't know.
I can't tell. I can't tell the difference. Sounds quieter to me. These just have like vandal.
Like I said, the ceiling's the same, but new cab walls and carpet though.
Yeah.
Pretty nice elevator. And there are your MAD fixtures. Not exactly sure the name of this one though.
Yeah, they're basically vandal resistant buttons.
Yep. That'll be it.